All right, this is a new series that I'm attempting to start. I have no idea if this is even going to be a good idea or if I even have the time to keep up with it, but I need more content for this channel. I just started myself with the whole cryptocurrency thing, and given my track record of always betting on the losing horse, if the market crashes now that I've started to get into it, I apologize. So I've been mining on NiceHash for about a month, give or take, like three and a half weeks. I've had pretty good results with just the crap that I threw together, but today, it's the last day of February, and as of right now, what's the price of Bitcoin?
One BTC equals 10,345 United States dollars.
As part of this series, I think I'll try to start each episode saying what the current price of Bitcoin is. We're just having some fun. So once I started mining in my living room Steam box, I quickly realized that I needed something dedicated, and I really wanted to grow. So leveraging my federal tax return and the spending money that I've been able to save by not drinking beer or energy drinks for the month of February, I've managed to put together a pretty good starter setup. The final piece was the frame that I wanted to put it in. And what I ended up doing is I sourced the cheapest aluminum mining frame that eBay had to offer. And here it is, it arrived today. And I've been sitting on the rest of my equipment for the better part of 2.5 weeks waiting for this thing. It shouldn't have been this way, because initially one of the first things I did was I went on eBay and I found a relatively affordable, okay, I'm not even joking, it was the cheapest mining rig that I could find. And I ordered it and I waited patiently for it, and what arrived was case fans. Just case fans. Fans for a rig, but no rig. And so I got really mad, and then I went back to the listing, and then I got really mad at myself. I'm also mad at the seller, but it's more so my own mistake. What they did is, and they're not the only ones. If you go this route on eBay, you need to pay attention to what you're putting your money down for. I was gonna need these fans anyway, so I'm not chalking it up to a loss. It's more just a pain. But what you need to make sure is that when you're buying it, you're actually buying the frame and not the fans. What a lot of these people are doing are they're advertising multiple sales on the same page. They're selling the fans by themselves, which they sort of glaze over in the description. They're selling the rigs by themselves, and they're selling a combo of the fans and the rigs. But by default, they're set up to sell and ship just the fans. So that's a way for them to get $36, $37 out of you. If you see the price for a mining rig that's that low, you need to pay closer attention. So, waited for these, I got them. So I immediately went back onto eBay, and from a different seller, because I didn't like being duped like that, even though a lot of it was my own doing, I found the same thing that I thought I ordered. So here it is. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of it and maybe put it together. So, got my trusty friend here to help me out. This is my friend. See how he glistens. At last, my rig is complete again. Sorry. Okay, so inside the box, we've got bubble wrap around another box. It's well packaged, I'll say that, but we don't need that anymore. So here we go with this. Let's see if we can get this set up so you can see. Oh, we're not done with my friend yet. This is some very thick packing tape and some some decent bubble wrap. In terms of the fun factor, please don't slice your fucking finger off. And there's that. How about a shave? Seriously, straight razors are dangerous. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. But if the zombies come and I have no other choice, then I'm secure. Okay. Interesting. Oh, I see. They packed the oh, I see. Right. They packed the cardboard inside the frame, I guess, for structure. So there's these pieces, the center cardboard that we're done with for now. I think that's a foam pad. Double coated tissue tape. I'm sure that'll come in handy. Oh geez. Let's do this. Sure. Oh God, so much tape. Now you may be wondering why I went the route of an aluminum frame like this instead of just building my own out of found materials or wood or the shoe rack approach that Brandon over at Brandon Coin does. And I can appreciate that. This feels more legit to me as the last thing I need in my life to worry about being legit or not. But so there's our case screws. We've got those. That's awesome. Hopefully that's everything we need. We got the motherboard risers, not risers, but whatever. God, I work in IT. You'd think I know the name of the parts that I'm using. Then we got this thing, which is the most essential part of the process, which is of course the happy little robot face. Or it can be a mask for the kitty on my shirt. Meow, I am your mother rig. Mother rig? Mother frig. Okay, we've got two little metal legs here. You know, they say that metal legs are a risky procedure, but it's totally worth it. And here we go. I think this is the main part of the business here. So this is the main part of the board. Got all our holes in there that they are threaded. They are not very clean, but they're there and they're threaded. That's all I care about. So hopefully this has the holes in the right places for what it is I'm trying to do. So that's, oh Jesus, how am I? Put this on the list of stupid things that I've done. It can also be a hat. All right. So you've got the whole kit and caboodle here. There's no instructions, there's nothing, so we're gonna be building by the seat of our pants, but we've got the base, we've got the screws, we've got the motherboard mounting posts, we've got our totally risky but worth it metal legs, and we've got our metal dugout bench, number one. Major League And we've got our metal dugout bench number 2 here, Little League. So these go together somehow. Oh, and our felt pad, which is double coated tissue tape for her pleasure. And last but not least, our robot mask face thing. Oh, it's for the cat, not for me. There we go. No, there we... Perspective, damn it! Sure. All right. I will put a link to this thing down in the description below if you feel like sourcing one for yourself so you can play along at home. But considering this is just the unboxing, I think I did a good job. I will follow up once I figure out how to put this thing together. So until next time, I am EricTheReDD. This is Crypto for the Caffeinated.